Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma along with Education Advisor H.M. Shangpliang today launched the Vidya Samiksha Kendra at the Directorate of Educational Research and Training DERT annexed in Malki, Shillong. Sangma underscored the mass benefits of the initiative, acknowledging that although it may seem challenging initially, the long-term outcomes will be rewarding. He also said the Vidya Samiksha Kendra is designed to leverage technology for the betterment of education, offering a comprehensive approach to monitor and improve the quality of education across the state. The Vidya Samiksha Kendra aims to empower students to achieve their aspirations through quality education while incorporating real-time monitoring supported by artificial intelligence.
And therefore, with the system, I can really be able to understand the performance of our children's uniformity. But nothing is perfect on the earth. This system, yes, merit the system that perfectly work. We might be able to track the perfect performance of any students or any institutions, any teacher. And also, there is always a way to manipulate. So today, I want to request each one of you, let's be faithful